This strategy really excels in trending markets. Today, I'll break down an effective strategy using two TradingView indicators from the OTT family, created by Kivanc Ozbilgic. I'll show you how to eliminate false signals, and at the end, we'll optimize the strategy for better results. Let's dive in. Our first tool goes beyond traditional moving averages. At its core, this indicator uses an algorithm that adjusts its sensitivity based on two parameters, period length and an optimization coefficient. This adaptability allows it to capture both short-term price movements and long-term trend dynamics, making it versatile across various market conditions. The indicator features two essential lines. The first is a support line that highlights key levels of price support. The second is an adaptive line that changes color to reflect market momentum. When the price trades above this adaptive line, it signals an uptrend. Conversely, trading below it indicates a potential downtrend. The line's color alternates between green and red, offering the visual cues about market direction. This tool provides a choice of 8 different moving average types, ranging from simple moving averages to advanced options like the zero-lag exponential moving average. This ensures it can be fine-tuned for virtually any trading style, whether scalping, day trading, or swing trading. The indicator generates signals in several ways: price crossing the adaptive line, the support line intersecting it, or observing color changes that indicate potential trend reversals. This TradingView indicator, called the Optimized Trend Tracker, or OTT for short, was developed by Kivanc Ozbilgic. Later in the video, I'll walk you through its practical application and my recommended settings. The second indicator we'll be using today is called Optimized Trend Tracker Bands, OTT Bands, also created by Kivanc Ozbilgic. The OTT Bands system overlays price charts and consists of a main OTT line serving as the primary trend reference, upper and lower bands creating channels around the main OTT line, an optional support line using a configurable moving average, and optional Fibonacci levels within the bands. The indicator calculates a moving average with multiple options like SMA, EMA, etc., and then applies percentage-based optimization coefficients to create trend-following bands. These bands adapt dynamically to price movement, with the system maintaining directional bias until price crosses specific thresholds. Before diving into the strategy rules, let's optimize both indicators for best results. We'll start with the OTT indicator. Simply copy the settings you see on screen. I personally prefer the VAR moving average type because it displays signals more clearly on the chart, but feel free to experiment with other options. For better visual clarity, disable the lines and highlighters since we'll only need the buy and sell signals. Next, let's configure the OTT Bands indicator. First, ensure you're using the same moving average type here as in the OTT settings we just reviewed. You can leave everything else at default. Now, here's the important part. Open the style settings and disable both upper and lower bands. The purple and blue bands will serve as range filters, helping us avoid taking trades while price moves inside them. This simple adjustment will keep you out of many potential losing trades. This strategy really excels in trending markets. Your goal is to wait for price to break outside the range before looking for an entry. For instance, after price has consolidated in a range for some time, you'll eventually see a breakout. You can enter the trade on this breakout as long as you have a buy signal from the OTT indicator, or you can wait for a retest of the breakout level. Once the breakout has occurred and price is trending, you can also re-enter on pullbacks. For pullback entries, make sure price remains above the OTT bands and watch for the OTT buy signal to flash. Impressive how effective this approach is, right? Sometimes the market's actual range will be wider than what the OTT bands indicate. In these situations, even when it appears price is breaking out, it might still be trapped in this larger range, potentially leading to a false signal. There's a simple solution though. Use a trend line. When you're uncertain about a breakout, apply a trend line to verify whether price has truly broken out. Even during trending conditions when signals look valid, double-check with a trend line to confirm the price has actually broken out of the pattern. Let me know if you like this strategy and would use it in your trading setup. While here, check our recent video, where we reviewed 6 new TradingView pullback indicators.